The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
For number 3, we're asked what is the domain of the following equation, and to simplify and find the solution set. So we're going to approach these like we did the last few in number 2. And we want to get our denominators in order so we can see what we can't have in this problem. So we have 3 over x squared minus 3x plus 1 over 3 minus x equals negative 4 over x. So let's first note what we can't have for x. Well, x definitely cannot be 0 because that would make this one 0 and that one. Because remember, this is x times x minus 3. So x can't be 3 for here or here. So x cannot be 0 or 3. Taking that into account, now we can get rid of all our denominators. Well, how can we do that? We can multiply by x, and we can multiply times x minus 3. That would get rid of all of these. Keep in mind, 3 minus x is just the opposite of x minus 3, so those would cancel out and leave a negative number. So, let's go with the first term. X times x minus 3 cancels with this x times x minus 3, so we're just left with 3. Next term, this cancels out, but it leaves it as a negative because 3 minus x and x minus 3 are actually opposites. We have the x left over, so we have minus x from here. Our last term here, the x would cancel out, but we'd still be left with the x minus 3. So we have negative 4 times x minus 3. Now we just need to solve. So 3 minus x, if we distribute this here, we get negative 4x plus 12. So we can add x over, subtract 12 over. So here we get negative 3x. If we subtract 12 here, we get negative 9. So solving that gives us that x equals 3. However, 3 was one of the numbers that we said at the beginning we couldn't have. So that's actually not an answer. And then we have no solution, because our only solution was something we had already said could not be in our domain.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.